G'day everybody, it's Les from Supertech Electronics and we're going to show you how to remove a stereo from a Renault Trafic. Tools you will need today is a 20 torque screwdriver and a plastic spudger. Alrighty, let's get started. First section we're going to remove is this section here. Now it is held on with clips. If you've got strong fingernails you can just pull behind. In some cases you'll need to spudger it, like so. And that whole part will come out. We'll just put that aside. Now that will expose 1, 2, 3, 4 torque 20 screws. You'll need to remove those. Then the whole stereo will come out as a whole, and there will be some electrical connections at the back you'll need to remove. Just press the center pin and pull the plug towards the front of the car, like so. And the other ones, they will just slide out as well. There's a little button there to press it and then pull back towards the front of the car. And once you've got it out, you can send it off to Supertech Electronics for repair.